think Nisha is bringing me back questions, so bear with me on that. I like how Doug was like, hey, let's have a conversation. And then I can't even see what y'all are saying, so. So much for a little conversation. There we go. Okay, cool. Now I can punch through. And I know whenever I'm not hammering on it, all y'all see is an anvil. But bear with me here. I'm heating it up pretty much directly in front of the burner. So I'm having to hold it so that it heats up faster. Whoa. Get back up here. I really need a hold down tool. I think that's one of the next things I need to end up making. Either that or I need to have my wife come out here and fold things again. A little bit. Back up here, little bastard. Hey, that's it. The next tool in the shop is the hold down tool.
Hold what? Hold on, hold on.
Well, punch through on that one. That's what I was trying to do. The big thing was trying to punch through, but yeah. No, there's nothing. So what did you read? Does anybody